Hello everybody, this is Wolfgang from WOKEBY, and in this video I want to show you how to install our new Frunk for the BMW i5. This one is the touring version, the eDrive 40, and we will start right away. So come a little bit closer and I will show you something. During our testing we found out that there might be some rattling noises in this area, so this is one of the problems that we will tackle immediately. So first we start with the installation of the foam strip. You will find 4 different foam strips in your assembly material. The long ones will be installed as rattling dampers directly here onto the mounting points. The second one goes to the other side. The thick one is for the back, and it's installed right here. And this one will go back there, and we will do this once we have taken off the main cover. So right now we will proceed with taking off the cover and installing our last foam strip. So it's mounted in the front here with 2 snap-in points, back there and back there. Just pull it up and for the moment take it away. Then, what I showed you before, I will install the foam strip back here on this part, right there. And what we need next is we need a number 10 nut to uninstall the black piece. So it's mounted with 2 bolts back here. And don't worry, this is just a communication cable, no high voltage or anything attached. So unscrew it, take away the screw. For the second one as well. Take away the screw. And now we need to take away the black part. It's hooked into back here. So just take a look. This is hooked, so it doesn't fall off immediately. And the next thing we need to do is we take off the cable holders and we use this tool. It has one round end and one more long shaped end. And what you need to do is you take the round one for the round cable holder, you press it down, and then you can simply take off the cable holders without damaging them. For the other one as well, press it down, take it off, and the last one as well, you see, press it down, there you go, and this we can take away. So now it's time to remount this cable, and therefore you will be delivered this stainless steel new cable holder. So we start like this. We position it back here, and this cable holder is mounted in the hole above. Just press it into place. And this connector is mounted in the long hole here. Just press it in, mount it into place. This one we don't need anymore, it can stay like this. Then we will place the cable holder right here and use the screws that we took away and install it again. I mean, I don't have precise Newton meters for these screws, but just tighten them, not over tighten them. Keep in mind, it's aluminium underneath, so it doesn't have to hold very much, but it needs to be safe and secure. Just hand tighten them like this, and that's it. Now we have enough space to start with the actual installation of our frunk. So let's proceed there. Okay, and now it's time to install the frunk itself. So we simply place it inside, and you will see it fits perfectly. And then we start with the installation of these clampings. Just go underneath through the hole, through the cutout, close it and fasten it with the screw. This can be sometimes a little bit fiddly until you find the thread of the nut, but once you have fitted, it's super easy. Perfect for the number one. And the second one is the same. We go through from underneath. Clamp it together. So, perfect. Right now that it's fixed, we can start loading up our frunk. And we have here the standard charging cable. It fits perfectly. And this one is a substitute to the normal standard charging brick that BMW will give you. It's much more convenient and can charge at 300, 230 volts as well. So, this is your frunk. And for a lot of you, it's important that you can mount the cover again. So you can simply install it by pushing these rubber snap-ins back into place. Okay, and then you can close your hood, and because BMW wants to keep in touch with you, the best way to close the front hood is just give it a firm press on the BMW badge. Then it's closed, fully installed, with a frunk of about 28 liters. I hope this video was helpful for you, and we see each other in the next one. Bye.